Kramer's Creations.
Now on the 1, 2, 3. Now can't nobody see me here or there. Wherever I bills, I put it down all around. Cause ain't shit for sale in the coop with the beat. Flossing off goes deep. And my cousin Snoop Pax, well, you know what I mean. And it don't take much for the dog kind of bust a cap in your ass for getting us all fucked up. Now check it. It's a baller for niggas like those who supposed to be the shit but steady bitching like home. Yes, y'all, of the dogs, yes, y'all. Yeah, y'all stay full of that gin and juice and have a ball.
I pack a strap like that, I kick it like this. Now how many bitches must get dick before they say a bit is the nigga from back in the day? I never ever thought I'd see him bustin' with Dr. Dre, cause I grips mics.